guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you're new, guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 400 subscribers. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. You can see I'm coming live from the village. You can see this is our house. So guys, today I want to prepare the most appetizing food. So I want to prepare kunde, guys. So if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Let me know what's your view on this video. Okay. So guys, this is my kunde. I'm close. Let me show them this one. So let's go and prepare. This is our traditional vegetable. I have my grandma here. Tell my people hi. Say hi to my people.
Hi, my people.
Okay, guys. So this is how you are doing it in the village. Let me show you. You're just taking one leaf like this. Then like this. Here in the village, guys, we don't buy vegetable. We are just getting it from farm. Yeah. So everything here is fresh, because if you go to the market to buy, maybe you can buy vegetable that it has stayed there for long. That's the good thing of staying here in the village, guys. So just drop a comment down there for your girl. Yeah, just continue supporting me, road to 400 subscribers. But I have realized that some people are just watching, but they are not subscribing, guys. So just do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. Okay, guys, so now we are finishing to make our kunde. Now we are done. So let me check if there's dirt inside. This food for our cow, so let me put it somewhere here. Come with me, guys. So let's go and prepare our kunde now. Okay. Guys, now I want to prepare our kunde. So this is our traditional pot. Here in the village, we are cooking vegetable in the pot. We are getting it from the ash. Then I'm going to cover my pot. But if you want to cook your vegetable using sufuria, you can. But here in the village, we are using pot. So we are going to wait for some minutes. Then I will check if my vegetable is ready or not. So just stay tuned, guys. Guys, now I want to check our vegetable. I have my cousin here. Say hi to my people. Okay, guys. So let me check. Guys, you can see this is my vegetable. Now I want to fry. It's ready. It's ready. Now I want to fry. So So this is how we are doing it here in the village. I want to fry. I'm still using the pot. So guys, this is my tomato. I'm just adding it here. Our typical village routine here in the village. Guys, I'm adding salt to taste, just little. Whoa. Oh guys, this vegetable is so yummy. Now I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes, then I'll start preparing our ugali. Guys, look at this. Wow, this is how my kunde looks like, guys. So it's time to prepare ugali. So I'm going to wait until my water starts boil, then I'll prepare ugali. So stay tuned, guys. This is maize flour, guys. This is my cooking stick now. Whoa. So this is our lunch here in the village. I'm preparing our lunch. Now our ugali is ready. So guys, now our ugali is ready. Ugali. Yes, we do ugali. Hey, ugali is like a Kenyan cake. So guys, now I'm serving our vegetables. So guys, now you are enjoying our lunch. Wow, this vegetable is so delicious, guys. So you can try it in your village. to cook. Just use the pot. Just use your pot to cook your vegetable, guys. If you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Swagala Man. Bye. Let's say bye.